Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss IC engine's exhaust valve functioning. Before we start, let's see what is IC engine. IC engine is internal combustion engine in which ignition and the combustion of the fuel occurs inside the combustion chamber. This is the sectional view of IC engine. It mainly consists of cylinder and it is also called as a combustion chamber. This is the piston which reciprocates inside the cylinder. This is a connecting rod which connects this piston with the crankshaft. This is inlet valve and this is exhaust valve. So in this case, the chemical energy of the fuel is first converted into thermal energy, that is in the form of heat energy, which causes reciprocating action of the piston, and then this reciprocating motion is converted into rotary motion of the crankshaft. So in this way, the chemical energy of the fuel is converted into mechanical energy. Classification of IC engine. The first is SI engine, in which the combustion of the fuel takes place by using spark produced by the spark plug. Next is CI engine, in which the combustion of the fuel takes place with the help of heat of compression. Next type is a 4-stroke cycle engine. It utilizes 4 distinct piston strokes, that is intake, then compression, then power and the exhaust stroke to complete one operating cycle. Next type is a 2-stroke cycle engine which utilizes 2 distinct piston strokes, that is intake and the exhaust stroke to complete one operating cycle. Let's see what is the difference between 4-stroke and the 2-stroke engine. These are the different parameters that are used to distinguish between 4-stroke engine and the 2-stroke engine. First point is number of power strokes. It has one power stroke for every 2 revolutions of the crankshaft, whereas for the 2-stroke engine it has only 2 power strokes for every 2 revolutions of the crankshaft. Next is weight. The weight of the 4-stroke engine is very higher as compared to the 2-stroke engine. That is, 2-stroke engine is lighter than that of the 4-stroke engine. Next point is design. The design of the 4-stroke engine is complicated due to valve mechanism, whereas for the 2-stroke engine the design is quite simple because there is an absence of valve mechanism. Mechanical efficiency. For the 4-stroke engine it is less as compared to the 2-stroke engine. Space required. The space required for the 4-stroke engine is more as compared to the 2-stroke engine. Next is lubricating oil. The lubricating oil required for the 4-stroke engine is more as compared to the 2-stroke engine. That is, the 2-stroke engine require less lubricating oil as compared to the 4-stroke engine. Next is application. It is mainly used in a car, buses and the trucks, etc. Whereas 2-stroke engine is mainly used in moped, scooter and motorcycles. Let's see what is the difference between SI engine and the CI engine. These are the different parameters that are used to distinguish between SI engine and the CI engine. First is fuel. The fuel used in a SI engine is mainly petrol or gasoline, whereas diesel is used in a CI engine. Next is type of cycle used. SI engine mainly worked on constant volume cycle, that is Otto cycle, whereas CI engine it mainly works on constant pressure cycle, that is diesel cycle. Next point is ignition of the fuel. In case of SI engine, the ignition of the fuel takes place by using of spark plug, whereas in case of CI engine, the ignition of the fuel is mainly takes place by using the heat of compression. Then next point is compression ratio. The compression ratio for the SI engine it is in the range of 6 to 10, whereas for the CI engine the compression ratio is in the range of 16 to 20. Next point is weight of engine. The SI engine are lighter than the CI engine. It means that the CI engine are heavier than that of the SI engine. Next point is speed achieved by the engine. The speed achieved by the SI engine is higher as compared to the CI engine. Next point is thermal efficiency, which is higher for the SI engine and lower for the CI engine. So in this session, we are dealing with 4-stroke SI engine. It has 4-stroke intake, compression, combustion and the exhaust stroke. So this is the layout which indicates the working of 4-stroke SI engine. So first is intake stroke. In this stroke, this is the intake valve. So the intake valve moves in a downward direction which causes the suction of fuel and air mixture, during which this piston moves from top dead center to the bottom dead center. Then in a compression stroke, fuel and air mixture is compressed to very high pressure, during which the piston is moving from bottom dead center to the top dead center. In a power stroke engine, the fuel air mixture is ignited by using the spark plug. So during which the piston moves from top dead center to the bottom dead center. Whereas in case of exhaust stroke, the exhaust gases produced during the combustion process are expelled out of the combustion chamber by using exhaust valve, during which the piston moves from bottom dead center to the top dead center. So this is all about the 4-stroke SI engine working. Next is exhaust valve function. As we have seen that the exhaust valve is used to expel out the burn gases out of the combustion chamber. So this is the layout for the exhaust valve. It mainly consists of valve stem, then this is valve head, this is the spring against which the piston or the against which the valve is moving in upward direction, and this is the mechanism which is provided for the operation of the exhaust valve. Thus, the exhaust valve function is to expel out the burn gases from the cylinder into the exhaust manifold. I hope you understood the IC engine's exhaust valve functioning. Thanks for watching this video.